8.0 Oreo Samsung to Xiaomi phones. Here is a status check on updates. Google released Android 8.0 Oreo update, the latest version of Android mobile operating system, in August 2017. Android 8.0 Oreo has been announced for a while now, but the final version is still being rolling out on most available smartphones, thanks to the long-standing problem of Android fragmentation. A very few smartphones, other than those which are made by Google, have actually received the update. Every manufacturer has set a different timeline for the rollout of Android 8.0 Oreo. Some like HMD Global, Nokia Mobiles, and Honor have already begun rolling out the update to some devices. We give an overview of which devices are getting Android Oreo and when, and what is the current status. Android 8.0 Oreo update, Google Pixel, Nexus devices. Google began rolling out Android 8.0 Oreo to its Nexus and Pixel devices back in August 2017. Google Pixel 2 XL, Pixel 2, Pixel, Pixel XL, Pixel C, Nexus 6P, Nexus 5X, and Nexus Player have received Android 8.0 Oreo and are now all on Android 8.1 Oreo. Both Nexus 6 and Nexus 9, Wi-Fi and LTE variants, are not eligible to get Android Oreo. Android 8.0 Oreo update, Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, Note 8 and others. Samsung has a beta program for Samsung Experience 9.0, a new version that's based on Android 8.0 Oreo. At the moment, the program is only available on the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus in South Korea, the US, and the UK. In US, the Android Oreo beta testing is supposed to end on January 26, which is today. Hopefully Samsung will expand the program in other countries, including India, though the exact details are not out yet. Android 8.0 Oreo update, HMD Global for Nokia 8, 6, 5, Nokia 2, etc. HMD Global, the company that owns the rights to manufacture and market Nokia-branded smartphones, has been committed to bring the latest Android version to all of its available smartphones. At the moment, Nokia 8 is the only phone that is running Android 8.0 Oreo, but most other Nokia phones are on the Oreo beta already. The list includes the likes of the Nokia 6 and Nokia 5. Nokia 3 and Nokia 2 are also confirmed to get Android Oreo. Android Oreo 8.0 update, OnePlus devices like OnePlus 3, 3T, OnePlus 5, 5T. OnePlus has released Oxygen OS 5 for the OnePlus 3 and 3T, which is based on Android 8.0 Oreo. Meanwhile, the OnePlus 5 and OnePlus 5T will be getting the latest update in January itself. The OnePlus 5T open beta testing has begun, while the Oreo update was rolled out for OnePlus 5, but then suspended due to bugs in the system. Either way, OnePlus has committed to Oreo updates for 5T, OnePlus 5, OnePlus 3T and OnePlus 3. Android 8.0 Oreo update, Xiaomi devices like Mi Mix 2, Redmi Note 4, Mi A1. Xiaomi's Android One phone Mi A1 got the Android Oreo update, which was then suspended and then again rolled out. The first update caused series of problems on phones. Now it appears, the Mi Android Oreo update is suspended again. There's no word on when popular phones like Redmi Note 4, Redmi 4, etc. will get Android Oreo. Also, the flagship Mi Mix 2's global beta ROM on Android Oreo is now open for testing. The company is inviting users to test out the new Oreo-based MIUI ROM. Android 8.0 Oreo update, LG devices like LG G6, V30. Both LG G6 and V30 will getting Android Oreo in 2018. According to company's website for Italy, the G6 will be updated to the latest Android Oreo update within the first half of 2018. Meanwhile, the beta for the LG V30 has rolled out in South Korea, and the final update should arrive soon. There's no word on when LG smartphones in India will get this. Android 8.0 Oreo update, Honor devices for Honor View 10, Honor 9 Lite, etc. Huawei's sub-brand Honor has announced that a slew of its phones will be updated to the latest Android Oreo. Honor 7X and Honor 8 Pro are confirmed to get Android Oreo. Apparently so will the Honor 8, though the company had first said it will not bring the update to this phone. The Android 8.0 update with latest HMD 8.0 is under evaluation for the Honor 6X. Honor View 10 and Honor 9 Lite come with HMD 8.0 out of the box, which is based on Android 8.0 Oreo. Android 8.0 Oreo update, Motorola devices like Moto Z2 Play, Moto X4, Moto G5, etc. Motorola has confirmed that many of its phones will be getting the Android 8.0 Oreo update. It did not confirm a timeline, but said the update was supposed to start rolling out in fall 2017. The list includes the likes of Moto Z, Moto Z Droid, Moto Z Force Droid, Moto Z Play, Moto Z Play Droid, Moto Z2 Play, Moto Z2 Force Edition, Moto X4, Moto G5, Moto G5 Plus, Moto G5S, and Moto G5S Plus. Later, it announced that the Moto G4 Plus will also get the latest Android update. Missing from the list are the Moto G4 and Moto E that won't be getting the latest Android 8.0 Oreo update. Android 8.0 Oreo update, Sony devices. Sony has already confirmed which Xperia smartphones will get Android Oreo. The list includes devices like the Xperia X, Xperia X Performance, Xperia XZ, Xperia X Compact, Xperia XZ Premium, Xperia XZs, Xperia XA1, Xperia XA1 Ultra, and Xperia XA1 Plus. The rollout of the update will vary by market and network operators. The Xperia XZ1 and XZ1 Compact both come with Android Oreo. For all the latest technology news, download Indian Express app.